Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a full body stretch workout for beginner flexibility. Let's begin seated. Any way that is comfortable, as long as it's even between both sides and you are lifting up to sit up straight. A pillow or a blanket might make this more available. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Bring your awareness to the breath. Arrive. Inhale, reach the arms above the head. Separate the hands about shoulder width. Shoulders relax down. Shift your gaze up between the hands and reach. Exhale, lower your hands down to heart center. Connect to the present moment. Connect to your commitment. Inhale, arms reach above the head. Stay tall, stay lifted, and lower your hands down to the right for a twist. Left hand to the right knee. The right hand is a kickstand behind you. Release through center. Lift the arms up so tall. And exhale, twist to the left. Stay lifted. Use your left hand to make sure you don't slouch. And back to center. Reach your arms wide and overhead. Lift. Exhale, roll over onto all fours, tabletop position. Let's find some organic movement, meaning anything that sounds good. I like to tuck the toes and draw circles with the torso. You can also roll out the wrists at this time, one at a time. It's really just feeling out where you are. And you will reel in your actions and decide what you're going to do, which is tabletop. 3, cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Open up the front of the body. And exhale, press the mat away, tuck the chin, scoop the tailbone. Let these build. Inhale, open up the front of the body. Breathe in. Long exhale, pull the stomach in. Once more. Deep breath in, let these grow. And exhale. Round your spine, cat back. Tabletop. Sit back on your heels, and we're actually going to tuck our toes, pull the pinky edges out if you need to. This can be pretty intense. If it's too much, then just sit on top of your feet. Interlace your fingers, palms together, and reach your knuckles away from you, shoulder height. Lower the chin down, and round your upper back. Sit back up. Switch your palms to face away from you, especially the pointer and thumb side. Keep the elbows soft, the shoulders down. Lift your arms above the head. Follow them with your gaze. One more reach. Exhale, reach the arms wide, down and around, tabletop. Roll out the ankles, tap the feet. Step your right foot between your hands. You can use your hand to help scoop the knee up. Find a kneeling lunge. Step a little bit into the right foot. Blocks will bring your hands closer to the mat. Level the gaze. Feel the left hip flexors. Knee over ankle. You don't want to be here. Don't want to be here. Just right. Okay. Draw in the core a little bit. We're going to tuck the back toes, lift the knee. We are in a lunge. If this is too much, leave the back knee down. Lunge twist, left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand down, lower the left knee, and we're going to sit all the way back on our left heel or on a pillow or just inside of the heel. Reach up with both hands, arms, and fold over your right leg to feel a hamstring stretch. Lengthen out the breath. Round up. Shift your weight back forward into your kneeling lunge. Back to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Bring the left foot up between the hands. Set up your kneeling lunge. You're going to stretch the right hip flexor. The back foot is flat or top down. Knee over ankle, shoulders away from the ears. Level your gaze. And gently draw the lower belly in or scoop the tailbone forward to intensify the stretch in the right hip flexors. Press yourself all the way back into our half split. So sit either on the heel, inside, or next to, reach up, or on a block, and fold forward over your left leg. Just a few breaths. Stay present, stay with each sensation. Let's lift back up. Shift your weight forward. Tuck the back toes, lift the knee, find a lunge. Again, if that's too much, leave the knee down. Lunge twist, right hand down, left arm opens up. Fingers spread wide, and make sure you can see your whole arm. You're not trying to just throw it back there. Reach. Left hand back down. Tabletop. Draw in the core. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Let's tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. Just one. Pedal it out. Feel length in the entire back body all the way through the shoulders. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width. Check that the index fingers are straight ahead, the fingers splay out. And find a moment of stillness as you press the mat away. Lengthen, let the head and neck relax. Lower your knees to the mat. And bring the soles of your feet to touch. Knees are apart. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Roll the shoulders back and down. Reach or lift up. Forward over the legs. Round spine, flat spine. Just a few breaths. Stay present. Stay with your breath. Round, back up to seated. Find a comfortable seat, sitting up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders down. Move the head and the neck around in a way that just appeals to you. And bring the palms to touch. Inhale. Reach the arms overhead. Lower the right hand down, side body stretch, just for the exhale. Lift up. Go to the other side. Side body stretch. Reach back up, both arms overhead. One more lift at the top. Reach up. Long exhale, hands lower down to your heart center or by your sides. Allow the eyes to close for a moment as you appreciate what you already have within you right now. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your practice, your presence. Let me know what you liked with a like, a comment, a subscribe. Let's blink our eyes open, and until my next video, namaste. Do that again. It'll be good for the ending. Like, come on, wind.